How to use Instagram for social media marketing. Hey everybody, what's up? This is Nina from Create, Log and Delete. Today, without any further ado, let's get started. So if you are looking to leverage your business through the help of social media marketing, specifically Instagram, then today I'm going to show you how you can do it. First of all, you have to create yourself a business account. Now open your Instagram, and if you already have a personal account and would like to switch this account to a business account, here is how you can do it. Tap onto the 3-bar icon on your top right. Go to Settings and Privacy. Under For Professionals, tap onto Account Type and Tools. Here, if you would like to switch to professional account, tap on Switch to Professional Account. If you would like to add a new professional account, then this is where you tap it. Tap on Continue as shown. Here, select your business category. And if you would like to display onto your profile that you own a clothing brand, toggle the button that says Display on Profile. Now, this is where you create yourself a professional account. Make sure you enter your email address and phone number here. This will allow your viewers or your followers to access your business conveniently. Also, if you like this information to be displayed to your profile, toggle on the button that says Display Contact Info, then tap on Next. Now, if you have a Facebook page and would like to connect it to your Facebook page, then tap on Login to Facebook. If not, you can just skip this process. Under Get Inspired, if you tap onto it, you can follow other similar content creator to engage with their audience. Under Grow Your Audience, you can either invite your friends via Instagram, WhatsApp, or SMS. Now you can also connect your contacts with your Instagram. Tap on Follow Contacts. It will ask for your access to your contacts. Tap on Allow Access. Once done, it will access all your contacts and let them and other people help find you and interact with you. Now under Introduce Yourself, you have to create a post to showcase your brand, your mission, or your great ideas. Once you set it all up, you will see a clothing brand displayed in your profile. And just like so, you can also see that how many accounts have reached your profile in the last 30 days. Just like so, you can see that 2 of 5 steps completed. I've only completed 2 steps, but you can go ahead and complete all 5 of these. Now scroll below, and here you will see 3 tabs. This is the Instagram grid. This is where you will see all the uploaded reels, and here you will see all the photos in which people have tagged you. Lastly, some tips for you to get started. Now, as of today, Instagram Reels are really popular. For a specific brand, don't post anything. Do your research, create yourself a content calendar, make a content strategy, then only post your content. While planning or posting content, make sure you post high-quality photos and engaging captions. Also make a use of content types such as image, videos, and stories which will fit your profile grid of Instagram. While using your hashtag, make sure you use all the relevant hashtags to increase your discoverability. Make your hashtag simple that anybody can grasp it. To create your business more engaging, make sure you engage with your followers. Respond to every comments, like their comments, and in terms of Instagram stories, make sure you utilize Instagram stories for time-sensitive contents. Use features like polls, questions, and puzzles to engage your followers. Generate a content calendar, meaning post twice or thrice a day according to your plan, and make sure that you post in the exact time. For instance, if you post 12 a.m. sharp, then the next day you should post on the same time. And remember, consistency is the key. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.